Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to CSV file. Converting PDF to CSV file allows for easy manipulation and analysis of tabular data, streamlining workflows and enhancing data accessibility. So let's start the video. So this is our PDF file. As you can see, it contains some data. To convert this PDF file into CSV, separated value file, click on the link given in the video description. So once you open it, click on Choose Files button. Now locate and select the PDF file that you want to convert. So this is the file. Click on Open button. As you can see, the targeted format is CSV. Click on Convert Now button. It's converting. Conversion is complete. Now click on Download button. Once the download is complete, click to open it. So this is our newly converted CSV file. So that's how you can convert PDF file to CSV format for free. Thanks for watching.